As we get older, it's common to experience muscle weakness, especially in the legs. Weak legs can make simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up seem like a challenge. But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural solution that could help restore strength to your legs and bring back your mobility? Imagine starting your day with a drink that not only hydrates, but also works wonders on your leg muscles. It's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 incredible morning drinks that can help reverse leg weakness and keep you moving with ease. Whether you're 65 or 85, these drinks can make a noticeable difference. Before we dive into these amazing drinks, don't forget to hit the like button if you're excited about strengthening those legs, and make sure to subscribe for more health tips that could change your life. Drink 7. Ginger and lemon tea. Starting your day with ginger and lemon tea is a fantastic way to boost leg health. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and it's known for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain. It's a perfect remedy for anyone suffering from leg stiffness or discomfort. Ginger helps increase blood flow to the muscles, which is key in keeping your legs strong and energized. Lemon, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our joints flexible and strong. By combining ginger's anti-inflammatory benefits and lemon's vitamin C, this tea will help reduce leg pain, improve circulation, and support overall leg health. Drinking this tea in the morning not only helps with leg weakness, but also kickstarts your day with a refreshing, zesty flavor. It can be easily made by boiling a small piece of ginger and adding a few drops of fresh lemon juice. If you like, you can also add a bit of honey for a natural sweetener. This drink is a great way to prepare your body for the day ahead. Drink 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is another powerful drink that can help strengthen your legs. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates, which help improve blood circulation by dilating your blood vessels. This increased blood flow means your muscles, including those in your legs, get more oxygen and nutrients, which can help reduce feelings of weakness. The juice is also rich in folate, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. This makes beetroot juice an ideal drink for seniors looking to improve their leg health. Whether you're recovering from an injury or just trying to stay active, beetroot juice can help you achieve your goals. To make beetroot juice, simply blend fresh beets with water and a squeeze of lemon to give it a refreshing tang. You can also add some ginger for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Drinking beetroot juice regularly can improve your stamina, energy levels, and overall leg strength, helping you stay active and mobile throughout the day. Drink 5. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Golden milk or turmeric milk is a warm and soothing drink that is fantastic for combating leg weakness. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This helps reduce swelling and pain in the muscles and joints, making it an excellent drink for anyone dealing with leg stiffness or discomfort. Additionally, the milk in golden milk provides calcium, which is vital for maintaining bone strength and muscle function. This combination of turmeric and milk works together to soothe muscle pain, reduce inflammation, and support your leg health. Drinking this before bed is a great way to relax and prepare for a restful night, giving your muscles time to recover. To make golden milk, simply heat a cup of milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well, and if you like, add a pinch of black pepper, as it enhances curcumin absorption. You can also add a little honey for sweetness. This drink is perfect for seniors looking to keep their legs strong and pain-free. Now, here's the good news. If you want to further support your leg health, we've included Amazon links for some of the best mobility supplements and products in the description. These are doctor-recommended and designed to help you improve your leg strength and mobility. Don't miss out. Check them out and start using them to support your leg health today. Drink 4. Apple cider vinegar and honey drink. Apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse drink for improving leg strength. It helps to balance the body's pH levels, which can reduce muscle soreness and stiffness. Apple cider vinegar also supports better digestion, which is important for overall health. When combined with honey, a natural anti-inflammatory, this drink becomes even more effective for soothing aching legs. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce lactic acid buildup in the muscles, which is often the cause of muscle fatigue and weakness. By helping the body eliminate waste products, apple cider vinegar supports better muscle function and recovery. Honey, on the other hand, is packed with antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation and support your overall well-being. To prepare this drink, simply mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Stir well and enjoy it every morning. Regular consumption can help improve muscle tone and reduce leg weakness, making it easier to stay active. When combined with honey, a natural anti-inflammatory, this drink becomes even more effective for soothing aching legs. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce lactic acid buildup in the muscles, which is often the cause of muscle fatigue and weakness. By helping the body eliminate waste products, apple cider vinegar supports better muscle function and recovery. Honey, on the other hand, is packed with antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation and support your overall well-being. To prepare this drink, simply mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Stir well and enjoy it every morning. Regular consumption can help improve muscle tone and reduce leg weakness, making it easier to stay active. Drink 3. Coconut water. Coconut water is a great natural drink for keeping your muscles strong and hydrated. It's packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, both of which are crucial for muscle function and preventing cramps. These electrolytes help improve leg strength by keeping the muscles properly hydrated and functioning at their best. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body, which is essential for muscle contractions. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and reduces the chances of leg cramps, especially during physical activity. Coconut water also provides natural hydration, which is vital for muscle recovery, making it an ideal drink for seniors who want to maintain leg strength and mobility. Drinking coconut water in the morning can kickstart your day by replenishing lost electrolytes and providing long-lasting hydration. It's a great alternative to sugary sports drinks and a perfect way to keep your muscles in top condition throughout the day. Drink 2. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for leg health. Packed with antioxidants, pomegranate juice helps improve circulation by enhancing blood flow to your muscles. This ensures that your leg muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, helping them stay strong and functional. Pomegranate is also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen helps keep your joints, tendons and muscles flexible and strong, reducing the risk of injury and stiffness. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can help improve your leg strength, reduce inflammation, and promote overall joint health. To make pomegranate juice, simply blend fresh pomegranate seeds with water, or you can buy bottled pomegranate juice from the store. Drink it daily to support circulation and reduce leg weakness. The antioxidants in pomegranate will help fight inflammation, making it easier to move without discomfort. Drink 1. Collagen Protein Drink. Collagen is an essential protein that helps maintain the strength and flexibility of your muscles and joints. As we age, our collagen production decreases, which can lead to muscle weakness and joint pain. Drinking a collagen protein drink can help replenish collagen levels in the body, improving muscle strength, joint mobility, and overall leg health. Collagen supports the repair of muscle tissue and helps reduce inflammation, making it a great drink for seniors dealing with leg weakness. Collagen protein also promotes healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues, ensuring that your legs stay strong and functional. To make a collagen protein drink, mix a scoop of collagen powder with water or your favorite beverage. You can also add it to smoothies or protein shakes. Drinking collagen protein every morning can help restore muscle strength, reduce soreness, and keep your legs feeling strong and agile. And there you have it, 7 incredible drinks that can help you restore leg strength and improve mobility even after 65. By incorporating these drinks into your daily routine, you'll not only support your muscles, but also enhance circulation, reduce inflammation, and reduce any discomfort that comes with leg weakness. Remember, consistency is key, and with time, these drinks can make a noticeable difference in your leg health. But don't stop there. Be sure to check out the Amazon links in the description for doctor-approved mobility supplements and products that can provide additional support for your leg health. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more life-changing health advice. Take care of your legs, and don't let weakness hold you back from enjoying the active life you deserve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.